don't speak. So now all my kids know their test scores because they're competitive and they love gambling. I have workers here. I brought my high school students. They are my scholars. They're going to run expensive, and I can float around. We have different games going on. So here we have Jenga. It's to teach spelling. Over there we have Connect 4 to conjugate emoji phrases. Over there we have Candyland to conjugate family members and or wine parts. And at this table we have BEI Bingo because everybody loves gambling. Go to mission. Okay, so let's get especially they're so new. My students are here. They may not remember all of their words, but this is how I teach. Within my classroom, they play. We have a bank, and you get so much money added to your bank based on your test scores. If you win Jenga, I'll award you with $3 extra that you hand in for candy within my class. I may have diabetics in 20 years, but they might know how to speak fluent. So how we're going to do this is within 15 minutes, you guys are going to stay at a table. 15 minutes, if you can't play, I apologize. I didn't realize we were going to have this many people. 15 minutes you'll play, then you're going to go counterclockwise. So whoever's at this table will now come join Faith. This is Faith Battis. Faith Battis is Julia Battis' daughter. Over there we have Raylan Marshall. Raylan Marshall is Arvin Marshall's daughter. Andy is John Ryan and Nancy Johnson's daughter. And Dakota is Christopher Ryan's daughter. So if any of you are related to them, make sure you tell them. All you guys can start your centers. I'll float around it. I will have handouts. I only printed 30 handouts to explain all of my games. But you guys can take pictures of each other's handouts. But I just want to show you how easy it is to go to Walmart. Go pick up your board games. Put any type of information into these games, and then you can use games all throughout your classes. It's one way to get the kids to stop being bored. They'll get off their phones. You gotta really get into their competitiveness. All of a sudden now I have kids who are speaking a lot more English than I've ever expected in my life. And it's all because of games. So if you even want to stand up and watch behind those who are playing or those who made it at the table, that would be fine. But I just want you guys to see how really easy it is. A lot of people ask me, when are you going to print your games? I'm not. I don't think I'm going to. It's easy for you guys to go to Walmart, write Neil negative on a sheet, and you guys can do this all on your own. So, I hope you enjoy yourselves. If you guys ever want me to come see you, I will come to your houses for supper. I will email you things. I'm not hesitant with my stuff at all. So, if you guys need any help, just let me know. Hopefully I'll stop sweating. Enjoy yourselves. You guys can take those cards based on which route you want to go down. Those spaces. So, white cards. Take all of them, and then you guys can use the card. Yeah. So it says name Gil Negro on the side. The middle is a 3, so say whatever you want as long as it's middle. But you're conjugating each one of those emojis. So name Mesque, Gil Mesque, Negro Mesque. Cool?
So you have to say all 3 before you get to 4.
Whichever one says right on the gate, name Gil or next.
So if I say I have Miss K, so I say
Depends on where you want to go down. What's your But you guys can use those
how do you get points?
So I have 1 at 20. Then you and I have 25 as well. So you
How do you know if you wrote it?
We'll check it for you.
Can you tell me? Did you just show?
That's right.
Don't they will come.
Okay, I found them.
I don't know. I think
And I have like
Don't say that.
Okay.
You're a good teacher, Faith.
I think there's a couple there.
So you can just rip out more pages from the back. Make sure there's not written on them, like my diary.
And just flip it over.
Are those the copies of the?
No, do you want it?
Can we? Yeah, please.
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, we rotate.
15 minutes.
Is it 15 minutes?
These are both in charge of that. Yeah, come on. Boy. Yeah. No. There's 2 pages per thing. So if you give her.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Tammy went to watch this over. Okay, we'll just play again. Okay.
Two sheets.
Yeah.
2 sheets. So this goes with that. That goes with that. Oh, that's all the names.
What color are dice? Oops, sorry.
Clear candy.
It's fine.
There's another hand here and
These are all my students' test words in year 1, so grade 9. These are grade 9 test words. I have them for all 3 years.
You guys aren't even playing more.
It's okay.
Those are yours. Oh, sorry. You have to go this way?
How is he or she? You guys sit there.
Ah, I see that.
I keep seeing buses.
Do you want to go there? Where are you from? Both of you. Where are you coming from?
This will be your guys' last round until you rotate clockwise.
You die.
Okay, 5 more minutes.
Oh, we have 1 more minute.
Somebody wins. You die. Or last card. Tell me.
Shake your balls, will you?
How old are you?
Our next session will be 10 minutes so that other people could join in.
You could be in the pool on the other side. You. What for? You guys have to wear it. You're welcome, or that's good. What's the time? What's wrong with you? A little bit. Now. Hi. Yes. Finally. Lend it to me. We should keep going.
So somebody wins and then you're going to have to switch to
Where are you from? Where is it? Only for just. That's cool.
Yeah.
How do you
I
say?
think you go from that one, huh? they have to learn the first one.
I don't know.
Look at Lori.
Can we photocopy that and take it to school? They're just harder for snakes and ladders. Just like when you do snakes and ladders, you're not allowed to move unless they do whatever that target is.
Actually over there.
You got your counterclockwise.
You want those carrots over there?
Okay, I'll take them. Okay, you're all switching. Lori said it on the mic, don't her.
Hi, hi.
No, I don't have enough workers. Maybe show it to me. All it is I make vocabulary cards, and the kids do not unless they flip, and it says, say name something that you find in a bar. And then they have to, and then they will. Say a name of a month or a day of the week. Yeah, that's all it is.
Really went to see this one.
Oh, you're here.
So the table that was there, we go here now?
Counterclockwise. Yeah, you guys were at that corner, yeah.
Oh, here?
We're here.
Snake and loser. We go here? I almost said snake and loser.
Oh, sorry.
Did I give you the one
So
with
this
this one?
is based on kids.
Don't give
They
it
don't
back to
own
me. Just
dice.
hold on.
They're not counters yet. So it's based on what color you land.
I wasn't
and then
from
it
trying out. I don't know what the price is, but there's going to be a price for this stuff.
like this is normally what you do. You just flick it and then you go like either to purple or the next green. But how I did this is when I teach conjugations, you have to roll the dice and on each side it says either mean, gale, or nickel. Roll it, pick gale. I know, or this one. So they have to say this one or they can't.
Oh, they have to match it with
Yeah.
Okay.
Same law, I do it for family members. Just flip it, nephew, your nephew, bullocks. So this is how my kids learn how to conjugate in my class. Yeah, so whoever wants to decide who's playing, you guys can just get a hang of it. Who's going first? And then, what else you guys, I'll show you guys before you guys start playing. Snakes and ladders, again, all you gotta do is these are $5 games at Walmart. You open it up, and you decide what your kids' vocabulary is, or what you want them to learn. You can use this in literally any class. They roll the dice, at 5, they can only go a 5, make any word more than one, so they have to now pluralize. And if they can't do this, they're not moving this. And it goes for all of this. These are all review games. My students don't get papers in front of them when we play. They have to remember the worksheets. Yeah, so that's all the Snakes and Ladders is. $5. You just make these cards, and I mean, there's
Anybody at
these
this
ones.
table get a ticket? You got a ticket?
There's these ones. Hard ones. I did these with the primaries. I did them with primaries. Say a name of something you find in a barn. Say a name or a color that begins with N or W. A word or phrase associated with weather. You guys really, it's limitless. You guys can make any worksheet a game.
So those are for this game or?
Yeah. And it could be for Candyland too if you didn't do the conjugation. But I like the Candyland just because we've played Snakes and Ladders. I have like 5 different cards for Snakes and Ladders. So I had to buy a different game and change it up. So that's all Snakes and Ladders is. So you guys want to focus. You guys all have company of me. Alright, well I can play with you guys.
Try my best.
Alright. Okay, I'm not good either. I only got good because I had to teach it. I had no choice. Those are just things I wrote up that you guys can see and track.
Some of these are these games right here.
Some of them are.
Oh, okay.
But I have incorporated like there's 21 if you want to play basketball with your students. There's Snakes and Ladders, Memories, Hokey Pokey,
It looks so fun.
Dawsagit, Baptism, whatever. So just, did any of you guys have Thompson, Joanne Tompkins as a professor? Tompkins, huh? Yeah. She never let us sit down when we were in class. Every day we went to her class for 2 hours. We were up like 4 times. So I said I liked going into her class because it wasn't boring. I wasn't sitting all day. So now I try to do as much things where kids can get up, get out of their seats so that they're not bored and they don't hate me. Good line.
So what's your classroom size?
I have small classes. I have that advantage. I have some classes less than that. So it kind of sucks when you want to play games. Yeah, a lot of our kids go to Louisville.
Oh, really? Friday, Saturday.
So we have that's why at St. FX where they really push for centers, this is where centers can work. You could put 5 to 6 people at a center, you can rotate all out the class. Yeah, so roll it. Lean, like that. This? There you go.
Take that piece out.
So my, what is it?
Right in the distance.
Uncle?
Brother?
Uncle,
It was uncle.
my uncle, so you say Columbus.
But do I have to say me?
No, because the N is the X. Yeah. Columbus. Yep.
I would take one of the start.
You'd go to yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. Whoever else wants to do it. Well, you guys are in.
Or do I move?
Oh, so you'll move to green. Yeah, so I do
So
have
you would
time.
move right there.
Yeah.
That's what I would do. Yeah.
Welcome to the big show.
Whoa.
So, yeah, get there.
So you go to a red.
So you'll,
Oh, why?
It's on red. It will be this red or this red?
first red. Is that you? Are you playing? Yeah. So you're Gil.
I know. Shalina will be our hand.
Yeah, remind me which one is which.
Older sister. Gumis.
All right, folks, there's about 2 minutes left of this.
Okay, so you'd move to orange. Yep. My kids are so sometimes they're like, nope. Jill.
So I'm red. I know that's what I was thinking.
I'm winning anyway.
Amanda's
Let me just keep moving one. Yeah, you can just keep one. It's 15 minutes. Who's ever in the lead is going grandfather. And they move 2 times. And they move 2 oranges over after you get
Oh yeah, the pink one.
All right, everyone, that's the end of that round.
Hand up.
Close up what you're doing and welcome to another game.
They closed their apps and it was a voice command. We had to say it and then it like lined up and
She's taking pictures.
what would you drop?
No, I got mine. I think from something anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, except I didn't call that a game.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Which is this one. If you want to say kilo word, you say this one. So each order you want to say one of the words. And the middle one is a free one, so you can use any other word at all. These are the cards you can use. I don't know what to say. So I'll do this. Or you could use the same. Which colors do you want to use? Alright, I'm gonna
start a game over there if you want. Oh, you guys need those things to go down.
Nick, we'll get you.
Those counters. Yeah. So all this is we have, this is how I give the game. I give them test scores, but sometimes it's not enough. And we're on the phone all the time. I thought it was perfect. So,
Is it horizontal?
if you guys pick a card, so it says to us, based on where you want to go, between deal or negative, that's the word you have to say. So if I wanted to go negative and be strategic, I'd have to go neutral. I say Chivas, middle is the free. So you say any word in Ulu that you want. You guys can all count each other however you want. But the next card that comes up is the word you have to conjugate. So whatever you guys have the blue cards, you guys have the white cards. But yeah, this is the easier one. This is the easier one. Yeah, those are my grade 9s are using that. Grade 10s and 11s have to use like the white cards. If anybody needs help.
High school, get down with somebody.
Okay. Well, here you have
So they have to read. Yeah, let me just do Weird name. Como diz passou isso tudo. High school, yeah.
I never played it before, ever, even as a kid. That was my first time. That was my first time I played it.
Oh, that's for
I think like,
grade 9 now.
We'll both have the answer a la carte.
Not high school.
That starts with a dual.
So everybody got one over here? These ones tell them. Nah? Yeah. I was like, 14 was like, probably no. Get this one, girl. Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry, sweetie. Oh, here. Just stick this right under my chair. Oh, my goodness. Do you want to push that in further? This is just something we found at the table. Do you want me to set that on the table so it's not in the way of her camera? We all won!
How much money here?
She knew I thought I was going to get it. I thought you were too. After me. No, just kidding.
Anybody else want to try? I'm going to try it. Oh, is the game over?
We have to go this way.
You got excited. Yeah, I think
I'm ready.
I know. Dalig.
If you guys notice, you aren't learning nouns, and you aren't speaking nouns unless you're playing snakes and ladders. So keep, understand my emphasis is always on verbs. We have a verb-based language. I was only taught nouns, I don't know how to speak. So, the more that you guys have students working on their verbs, working on how to express themselves, the more you're going to start hearing your students speak. So, just keep in mind while you're doing this that there are no nouns. And I hope you guys take that to your classrooms.
So you two gonna play? Sit. Come join us. We're trying to start a game. Okay.
Come on, Mouse. Good morning.
Hello. These games that way Jazz is teaching. In a community where the language is lost, some words that you can say is a big achievement. But for communities that speak fluently, this may be a simple or a childish game. But for communities that have lost or at zero right now, these are our major accomplishments, even a dozen words. That's all I have to say.
Anybody else already try it? Only one hit.
Yeah, but this one's he or she, he or she.
It's a spelling kind of game. It's like Jenga, but if you like take out, say if I took out number 2, it's somebody reads a word, what pages have, and by the word it has numbers, like 1 to 50 words. So you have to spell it. Go, Barbie!
You're hunting a bad number.
I can't tip. Whenever you see an apostrophe, that letter is said a little longer. Great job.
Put it in here.
I'm not helping you. Don't help them. Don't help them. Oh my God, calls for Donna, ignore them. I'm by myself.
Jenga.
Bye. You guys did pretty good.
I knew it was you.
You're in flight. What time is it? What time is it? You want to go there? The ones that I know, I guess. Yeah.
Yield.
Finally. What is it? Ask him in there.
We have 8 minutes left. So you guys have to start finishing up your game. I'd rather not ask questions, but I guess I'll answer.
Only or just hardcore gamblers? That's the word going around.
Think I hardcore gamblers. Yeah.
Should I see you guys?
I got one. You double in. No?
It's how are you?
Oh, yeah, one double in.
Who's your mom and who's your dad?
Started on.
Where are you from?
Crackers. Where have you been? Double or not? Double or nothing, yeah.
Because he knows quite a bit.
Five more minutes.
What do you say when you have like Him or her? Now. No. Get up.
That's it? I think so. No, that's not spongy.
If I put like English words down, and maybe you guys make a word. My house. I see an animate. I see.
Okay, how big?
How are you? What is your name? I am going.
Yeah.
We can keep going until somebody wins.
Okay.
Because, yeah, middle.
Talk, man.
Thank you. Done well.